In the world of sales and in the world of business, why is it that people hate closers? Pay attention, because this is an important question. I'm Sylvan Bell, coming to you live from Sacramento, California, on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about business and talking about closers. Now, what it really comes down to, a lot of people hate closers is because they make the money. And in the world of sales, if you divvy up, maybe 20% of the world of salespeople should be in the world of sales. But when you pull all the numbers out, it's like 4% of salespeople could be a closer, and the number one person who's the performer, so the top 1% can close deals. And guess what? They make all the money. And I will let you know I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Now, here's the thing. Most sales managers don't know how to hire salespeople. So what they do is they hire people based upon personality and not based upon skill. And this really does affect you. So what happens is sales manager thinks they know what they're doing, and they go out and they hire a salesperson. But the salesperson's got a good, pleasant personality, okay? Follow me along here, this is important. So the salesperson goes and meets with the buyer. The buyer says, I gotta think about it. The salesperson pleasantly tries to overcome the objection, and the only thing they got in their arsenal is a price match or a discount, okay? So this 80% of the sales world's really messing you up. You know, a closer's going to go in there, they're going to fight for price, they're going to fight for gross, they're going to talk about why their product's better, they're not going to get caught up in all the objections that other salespeople are, and then they walk away with the check and they walk away with the money, okay? And so here's the real deal. People don't like closers because they make the money, and it's pure jealousy. They are jealous that that person can go in. Now, in the perfect world, what would happen is sales managers would learn how to hire salespeople and not get caught up in this trap where 8 out of 10 people that they hire are weak and they shouldn't be in the business and they shouldn't be in the industry, and because it creates problems. That is the real deal. That's what you need to know. So if you're looking around in your industry, you're like, why do I keep coming up against these people who are cheap? Why do I keep coming up against these people who are always selling on price? They're in that lower 80%. They're in that 80% that are price matchers, discounters, and then you got to find out that most salespeople are lazy. And what happens is they look around at the closer and they go lie, cheat, steal, fraud, because they can't do their job because they got no skills. That's the real deal. So if you know a closer, you are a closer, and you make all the money, make a note in the box down below, like I make money, or I know a closer who makes money and I'm on my way. That's cool. I mean, it takes some time. It takes some work, energy, and effort, sales skills, sales tactics, sales strategies, word tracks, whatever you got for you to get there. And even anchoring, like one of the coolest things you can learn how to do is anchor, because it's an emotional trigger highlighter in the brain. It's an awesome thing you could do. And if you want to learn how to anchor, make a note in the box down below. I want to learn how to anchor. That's cool. So from here, you've got one thing to do. Just one thing. It's really easy. Really, really easy. Like, I think of like the infomercials were like, hey, it's really 3 easy payments of $9.95. Not even any payments. This is free. You click on the button, it's like right here. Click on the button that says subscribe, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update that says Scott Bell Consultant sent out a video. You should watch it, which you should. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.